like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You know what can probably cost that?
Just the age, the rubber.
What? They just put it on there.
Is this it?
Yeah, it's a new tire. Alrighty, so I'm back from discount. They fixed me up right quick, as you can see. Check this out right quick. I gotta take this tire off. I can take a chance of taking it, driving it to Discount Tires to get it, checked out or whatever. But I'm not gonna do it because it keeps losing pressure as I'm driving. Now I want to have to just change it when I'm on the road. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna take it off right now. I'm going to take it off right now here, and then just take the tire up there loosely. But I noticed when the valve stand, must be something on the valve. I can do this. The air is leaking out, so I'm going to remove this one off. But I'm gonna show you right once again. I showed before. I love the trailer aid. Let me take this TPS sensor off. But the trailer aid to jack my trailer up much faster and convenience than taking that jack and getting it up under there and doing all the hard work. Put that in there. So watch me right quick as I do that. Let's see. This guy right here. This guy right here is a lifesaver. Trailer aid. So I'm gonna demonstrate right quick how I do this real fast. Oh. Hey, how y'all doing? All right. So what I'm gonna do, cause it can be hard to get it right there. Boom. So I'm gonna do it, since I'm doing this tire, I'm gonna jack it up here, back it up. Let's see.
Your ball went under the damn trailer.
So I have to stop talking to my neighbor there for a second. But so like I say, basically get it up on, position it like this up under the tire. I usually have either somebody or a phone, other phone, mirror image, but I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna do it and go by the feel of it. Tire pressure sensor there. I took that sensor out. That's a big help there. TPS monitor system is a big, a big help. Excuse me. Allergies. Okay. Let's see. Bam, you see how easy that is? Look at that. Now the tire's freely off the ground to take off. Just like that. Sits up in there. So I'm gonna take this tire off and run up to Discount Tires and get it checked out. And be on my way. How easy and convenient that is. Look at that. Ah. Just like that. Easy and convenience. Trailer Aid. Get you one, I'm telling you. Lifesaver. But hey, I just wanted to demonstrate that right quick there, taking this off real fast with the Trailer Aid. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. More to come. Stay tuned. It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Peace. Alright, so I'm up here at Discount Tires, and my guy Carson, like, always helped me out. He stated that it was the valve stem. The valve stem somehow was going bad. So thank God I caught it before the tire blew out, because of the TPS sensor I have on there to let me know when the pressure started losing on the trailer tire. So glad I was able to catch it. It was the valve stem. He gonna replace it and get me back on my way. Yes, sir. Always. Discount Tires right here in Round Rock, the one in front of Target. Always take care of me. All right, I'm gonna head back to the house and put the tire back on the trailer, and I'll call it a day with that. And I gotta ride down to Fort Worth to pick up my other trailer. So stay tuned to that as well. On the other video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace. You know what can probably cost that?
Just the age, the rubber.
What? They just put it on there.
It just did?
Yeah, it's a new tire.
I guess it's a bad one.
Yeah.
Like this one's got some give to it.
Okay.
The other one was like just loose.
Yeah. He showed me it was chipped right there somehow, but glad I caught it though. I'm just glad I caught it before it, caused the blowout.
Push the back right here.
Yeah, just right there anyway, man. It's good. I appreciate you. What Carson? No, he right there talking to a customer. Hey man, I appreciate you guys, man. Y'all have a good one, man. Man, I got no care. I'm gonna have to look out for my guy. But yeah, so he showed me the old valve stem it had some chip right up in there, was causing it to leak. That's what the problem was. So glad we caught it. Glad I caught it before it, had a blowout. Unfortunately, messed the tire up. Thanks to that TPS sensor setup deal. I'll get the attention when you get to talking to the customer. Hey, just excuse me. Hey, what kind of lunch? I'm about to bring you some lunch one day, man. Where you usually eat at lunch at?
Man, I'm not a picky eater.
Wherever?
Yeah, wherever.
Like, okay, I got it. I'm about to take care of you, man.
I appreciate it.
You be safe.
Thank you, too.
Alrighty, so I'm back from Discount. They fixed me up right quick, as you can see. Make this real quick and fast, getting that changed and fixed out just like that. Trailer Aid. I'm telling you, it's a must-have for trailer owners. I'm telling you. Much easy and convenient. So yeah, it was the valve stem on the other deal was bad. Get this changed up and gone. I gotta run out to Fort Worth, pick up my other trailer. What you see what I had done to that? I had to get some stuff done to that. Pretty interesting. Well, yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to make this video. Just to give a little enlightenment on what I think about the trailer A deal. And basically that's it. You know, once I tighten this up, and I'm gonna show you right quick. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna dry, just show you how easy it is just to dry back off of it. I'll be right back. Oh, right quick. I do want to show right this. Like I said, this tire pressure monitoring system deal. Ooh, it's a lifesaver. I'm telling you. That's another thing I would recommend trailer owners to do as well, especially if you have like blowouts a lot and things like that. I hear it beeping because I just plugged it back up. It just activated. But basically, what that does is it monitor the tire pressure. It monitors the tire pressure there. Big lifesaver. So watch this. Hot out here. It's getting hot. It's getting hot out here. All right, so I'm back. I felt it. I just felt it. That's all. So watch this. Bam. Just like that. Just like that. This guy right here. Put it back, store it back up. Nice and neat and trailer, organized. Bam, just like that. Gotta have your emergency gear. Never know. But hey, just wanted to make this quick video about that, showing the trailer. Hey, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, more to come. It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Peace out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.